Treatment for depression for all ages is highly effective if a few things are in place. The most important one from my perspective, and many people's perspective, is the relationship between client and clinician. And that's especially true for teenagers. So it's not just a question of finding any therapist or even the most highly recommended therapist. Those people might not be right for your teen. So the way to find a great therapist for your teen is to do the research first, find someone who specializes in anxiety and depression, like we do at Sound Mind Counseling, or whatever the specific issue is to your teen. And then set up an appointment, have your teen go, and then ask them, what did you think of that therapist? Did you like them? Did you connect with them at all? Or did they feel kind of like, Listen to the answer. And even if they didn't like them, try a few more sessions. And if they persist in that perception of negativity, then try someone else. So be willing to collaborate with your teen on who you find to help them. And empowering them in that way, I think, really engages them in the process and certainly increases the chances of success. Okay, so that's my number one tip. In terms of what treatment will look like, for teens in particular, we tend to focus on things like communication skills, conflict resolution, mindfulness techniques to help manage all these emotions that are swirling around in their adolescent bodies. But mostly what therapy is for teens is a place for them to express all of that stuff that's going on inside them without fear of judgment or reprisal, right? And so I think of all those emotions as energy that has to get out. It has to get out one way or the other, and it can come out in negative ways or it can come out in positive ways. Like sports is a great way to get that stuff out. But therapy does that same kind of thing, like just moving that energy through their teens so they can take a breath and relax for a little bit.